Hello students, today we are going to learn rationalization of irrational numbers. What is rationalization? The process of converting irrational number to a rational number by multiplying it with another number is called rationalization. The number with which the given number is multiplied is known as rationalizing factor, and it is denoted as RF, rationalizing factor. Let us consider an example. Root 3. Root 3 is an irrational number. If we want to rationalize this root 3, then we multiply it by another number, that is root 3. And we know root 3 by root 3 is equal to 3, and this 3 is a rational number. Here this root 3 is called rationalizing factor of this root 3. Rationalization of irrational number having two terms. In the first example, we have seen there is only one term, that is root 3. Now, let us see how to rationalize an irrational number having two terms. For example, root a plus root b is an irrational number having two terms, root a and root b. To rationalize this irrational number, we have to multiply with its conjugate. The conjugate of root a plus root b is root a minus root b. So, we have to multiply this root a plus root b by its conjugate root a minus root b. Now, this is in the form of third identity, a plus b into a minus b. So, we know the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, we can write this as a square, that is root a the whole square minus root b the whole square, that is equal to a minus b, and a minus b is a rational number. Let us see another example. 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number having two terms, 2 and minus 3. To rationalize 2 minus root 3, we have to multiply it with its conjugate, that is 2 plus root 3. And we know this is in the form of third identity, that is a plus b into a minus b, that's equal to a square minus b square. So, this can be written as 2 square minus root 3 the whole square is equal to 4 minus 3, that's equal to 1. And we know this one is a rational number. Now, rationalization of the denominator of irrational number. Let us consider an example, 1 by root 2. And we know this is an irrational number having root 2 as denominator. Now, let us see how to rationalize the denominator of this irrational number. To rationalize the denominator of an irrational number, multiply the numerator and denominator with the rationalizing factor of the denominator. And here we know root 2 is the rationalizing factor of the denominator, root 2. So, multiply the given number by this root 2, both the numerator and denominator. then we get the number root 2 upon 2. And we know this 2 is a rational number. That is, denominator is a rational number. Now, let us consider another example, that is 1 by root a plus root b. Here, the denominator root a plus root b having two terms, and we know how to rationalize two terms. So, the rationalizing factor of this denominator root a plus root b is root a minus root b. That is the conjugate of root a plus root b. So, multiply this number, both numerator and denominator, by root a minus root b, root a minus root b. That is equal to root a minus root b upon a minus b, because this is in the form of third identity. So we can write a minus b. And we know this a minus b is a rational number.